Happy people, I'm back with another video, and today I'm super excited because BTArtBox just came out with some new designs with their X-Coat Tips press-on nails. And yeah, I'm so excited to get into these designs because they are super cute. And a special shout out to BTArtBox for sponsoring today's video. Y'all, let's hop into these designs. So this here is the first set here. Again, it's the X-Coat Tips, meaning that you can apply them using like the Gel X method or using gel, and it comes with 96 nail tips. Apply and remove within 30 minutes, and it's 2 to 4 week wear. So let's hop into these designs, y'all. So I did get the medium almond. I really love their medium almond nails. Y'all, these are so cute. Oh my goodness. All right, y'all, so it does come with a couple of different sets. Oh, only 3? Okay. All right, so it comes with 3 different sets here. So this first one comes with this really cute 3D raised like swirl design, but it has like the 3D nail art on it. And y'all know the BTArtBox nails fit my nail bed perfectly, especially on the thumb. That's one of the first things I look out for when I'm getting some new nails. And yeah, y'all, this design is just stunning. It's just cute. But yeah, it's like this cute little sideways squirrel. Super cute. Yeah, I love it. And then one of the designs I was most excited about was this one, and it's yellow. I love this color right here. This is like perfect just in time for like spring. And again, it has that raised 3D design to it, which I absolutely love. And again, that's how it looked on the nails. Yeah, these are super cute. I like that like highlighted yellow. And this one's slightly different than the first one. This one has like 2 waves on it. Then the yellow one only has 1 wave kind of going to the side. So that's super cute. Love it. And then last but not least is this nude tip. And again, it has that 3D design on it as well, but super duper cute. I love like how subtle the design is. It's like just enough oomph to it, you know? So that's super cute as well. So this one, I mean, it only came with 3 designs, but it also said it was only 96 nails. So I guess that's why. I do feel like most of these come with at least like 150 or 160 nails, but these designs are still cute nonetheless. So that was the first set here. Let's hop into the other colors that they offer. Okay, so this here is the second set here. This is also in medium almond as well, and it also comes with 96 nails. And these are just a few more color selections. So you're gonna get 3 strips in this one as well. And this one comes with this really gorgeous blue color. And again, it's that same double swirl on this one. Oh yeah, that's super cute. Yeah, y'all, these are cute. I like these. Okay, so you got the blue, you got the really pretty soft pastel orange. Yeah, that's adorbs also. Yeah, these designs are super cute, y'all. And then you got a cute purple, like a lavender-ish purple. Really cute also. Okay, yeah, I'm loving these new spring designs that BTArtBox has come out with. I'm gonna decide which set I want to do. Something is telling me to go in with my yellow, so I'm probably gonna go in with yellow. Okay, so they also included the French Protecting Duo X-Coat Tips. So this here includes the builder gel, which is what you use to apply the nails, as well as the top coat. And then they also included the BTArtBox brush-on nail glue. So you'll use this to apply the press-on nails as well. I think I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the brush-on nail glue just because I'm a little bit pressed for time. So yeah, y'all, let's hop into some quick nail prep. All right, so the first thing you wanna do is rough up the surface of your natural nail. I'm gonna do that with my little cuticle stick, and then also just push back my cuticles a bit. Dust off really quick. Next, I'm gonna go in with alcohol wipe to dehydrate the nails. these are the nails that I picked out here. So application for these are going to be really quick and easy. I am going to go in, like I said, with the BTArtBox brush on nail glue. And really quick, I'm just going to apply a thin layer of that nail glue to my natural nail. Like so. And then I'm going to take a thin layer of the nail glue on the inside of the press-on nail, like so. I'm going to flip the nail over. And then I'm just going to tap a little bit of the nail glue. Tap the nail into the nail glue a little bit, slightly tuck, and then press down. Hold it for about 15 to 30 seconds. Alrighty, so this is what the first nail is looking like. Super duper cute. I'm gonna go in with the second nail. Repeat the same process. Apply a thin layer to my natural nails. And then I'm gonna apply some to the inside of the press-on. Really just making sure I get it to where it meets my natural nail. And I'll apply just a little bit more in the middle. And then I'll tap the base of the nail into the nail glue. And then I'll just bring it to my cuticle and then press down. I'll hold it for about 15-30 seconds. Any spillage, there's just a slight bit on the side. I'll go ahead and wipe that up in just a second. Then I'll continue to press down for like the next minute. So that's what the second nail is looking like. I'm gonna go ahead and repeat this process on the rest of my nails and then I'll be back. Alrighty, so this is what all the nails are looking like after they have been applied. Next, I'm gonna go in with my file and just round off those tips just to make the nails look even more natural. Perfect. Now I am gonna go in with an alcohol wipe just to dehydrate the nails a little bit further. Next, I'm gonna go in with the builder gel, which is step 1 on all the nails. And before I go in and cure, since this is 3D nail art, I'm just going to swipe over all the nails just to try to keep that 3D design prominent. Because with adding the builder gel, it can kind of take away from that nail art. And I'm going to flip it over for 10 seconds and cure for 60. Alrighty, and then last thing left to do is to go in with step 2, which is the top coat. I'm going to apply that to all the nails, and then we'll get into the finished look. Flip for 10, cure for 60. All right, you guys. Ain't she cute though? Yes, I am loving how this nail set turned out. These yellow tips are everything to me. I absolutely love the little sideways swirl. And you can still feel the 3D raised nail art. Again, when you're applying that builder gel and top coat, you got to be really careful to make sure that you're getting any of that excess gel up that's in between the design. But y'all, these turned out so cute. I'm really excited to have these on. Getting ready to go on a mini trip. Unexpected, impromptu, but I'm excited to have my nails done for it. And yeah, y'all, I'm really loving these new designs that BTArtBox came out with for this spring. I love the fact that they're playing around and being a little bit more creative with their nail designs. And like I said, that 3D raised design on here. It's so cute, and it's just in time for spring. I think the colors are perfect for this time of the year, spring, summer. So yeah, I do have a discount code with BTArtBox. I'm gonna leave it here on the screen as well as in the description box below in case you guys want to save some coin while you're shopping their website. Another special shout out to BTArtBox for sponsoring today's video. I do upload every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. If you all like what you saw here, definitely stick around, join the happy family. I'd love to have you. And as always, you guys, leave some love in the comments down below, and I'll see you in my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful, awesome, spectacular day. Bye.